She didn't lose interest overnight. You slowly turned her off, and you didn't even realize it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make her chase you again, without begging, overtexting, or losing your self-respect. Number 1. Stop being predictable. When she first met you, you had a life. You weren't always available. Now, you're always there. There's no mystery, no tension, no reason for her to think about you. So stop overgiving your attention, not to play games, but because your life should actually be busy. Let her feel something she hasn't felt in a while: your absence. Number 2. Build a full life. This is where most guys fail. They make her the center of everything, and the moment she feels that, she stops chasing, because there's nothing left to earn. You want her attention back? Shift your focus completely. Gym, work, money, friends. When she sees you thriving without her, that's when she starts questioning everything. Number 3. Be social, not desperate. A lot of guys mess this up. They try to make her jealous, posting with girls, forcing attention, acting fake. It's obvious, and it backfires. Instead, just become a guy people enjoy being around. Talk more, go out more, be present. Improving yourself isn't just about achieving your goals. It's also the foundation for building meaningful connections, including in your dating life. That's why I'm excited to have the Wing Girl Method as the sponsor of this video. Founded by renowned dating expert and fellow YouTuber, Marnie, your personal wing girl. She helps guys improve their success with women with her method called the F formula. What makes her approach different is that it's coming from a female perspective, with a direct, no BS breakdown of what actually builds attraction. It's not what guys think works, it's what actually works. It focuses on the small behaviors that make a woman lean in, and the subtle mistakes that make her lose interest over time. And it's not just theory. Over 100,000 men have already used the F formula to finally understand where they were going wrong, and seeing real changes in how women respond to them. So instead of guessing in the moment, you start to actually see the patterns behind it. And because the Wing Girl Method is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers an unbeatable deal. Just click the first link in the description now and grab your exclusive preview of the F formula completely free. Plus, if you decide to pick up the full program, you'll get an extra 50% off. If you're tired of failing at flirting and being stuck on the sidelines, stop wasting time. Take control of your dating life. Click the link below and get access right away. Let's get back to the video. Number 4. Stop reacting. She pulls back. You text more. You overthink. You try to fix it. And that's exactly why she keeps pulling away. So do the opposite. Stay calm. Because the moment she realizes you're not reacting, she starts chasing the attention you used to give so freely. Number 5. Set the standard. If she can ignore you, cancel plans, give you low effort, and you still stay, you've already lost. So raise your standard, respect your time, respect your energy. If she shows up right, good. If she doesn't, pull back. No drama, no speeches, just quiet self-respect. If you made it this far, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which mistake have you been making without realizing it?